everyone, my name is Amelia Rizky. Today, I want to talk about an important issue in SDG 4, quality education, focused on social and gender inequality in education. Education is a basic human right. It should be for everyone. It should not depend on where you are born, how much money your family has, or whether you are a boy or a girl. But in reality, not all children in Indonesia get the same chance. Let me share a real situation. In some remote areas in Indonesia, many children still walk very far just to go to school. Some of them have to cross a river, climb hills, and walk for hours every day. When they arrive at school, their classrooms are simple. Sometimes there are not enough books. Sometimes there is no electricity or internet. Meanwhile, students in a big city have access to technology, comfortable classroom, digital learning, and many opportunities to grow. This is not fair. This is a social inequality. Education should be the bridge to a better future. But for some children, it is still a difficult journey. And the problem does not stop there. Now, let's talk about a gender inequality. In some communities, girls still face more challenges in education. Some girls have to stop going to school at the young age. Why? Because of early marriage, because of economic problems, because some people still believe that girls do not need high education. But let me say this clearly. Girls are not less intelligent. Girls are not less capable. They just have fewer opportunities. When a girl is denied education, we are not only stopping one person, we are limiting the potential of a family, a community, and even a nation. Because educated girls grow into empowered women. They can contribute to society, support their family, and create positive change. So, we must ask ourselves, how many dreams are lost because of inequality? How many talents are raised because of limited access to education? If one child cannot go to school, we lose a future. If many children are left behind, we lose a generation. This is why SDG 4 is so important. It is not just about education, it is about fairness, it is about opportunity, and it is about a hope. Now, the question is, what can we do? We might not be policymaker, we may not have a big power, but that does not mean we cannot make a difference. As students and young people, we can start with a small action. We can volunteer to teach children in our communities. We can share knowledge with those who have less access to education. We can support programs that help children stay in school. It starts from small, consistent effort, and most importantly, we must change our mindset. We must believe that every child, no matter where they come from, no matter their gender, they deserve the same chance to learn, to grow, and to success. Because education is not just about going to school. It is about building dreams. It is about creating opportunities. It is about shaping the future, and that future should belong to everyone. Let me end with this. Education is not a privilege. It is a right. And equal education is not a choice. It is our responsibility. So, let's work together. Let's raise our voice. Let's take action because the future of our nation depends on what we do today. Let's make sure no one is left behind. Thank you.